Hello everybody. Let's start a small project which will show the ability of concurrent web scraper in Go. Let's start it. What you will learn: how to create HTTP requests in Go, how to parse HTML using Go query, how to use Goroutines for concurrency, how to use channels to coordinate Go routines, how to handle synchronization using sync.wait group, dependencies, Go mod, then init concurrent scraper. Now go get github.com pure, sorry, pu, kit o bio go query. What is that? Let's start it. First, github.com is search this one. What is this? Okay, is there any? Yes, this is a little like that J thing only in Go. Go query syntax and set features similar to jQuery. Yes, to the Go language, it's based on Go's net HTML package and the CSS selector library, uh, Cascadia. Since the net/HTML parser returns nodes and not a full-fledged DOM tree, that is document object model, which is in the HTML. jQuery's stateful manipulation functions like hide, CSS, detach have been left off. Also, because the net/HTML parser requires UTF-8 encoding, so does the Go query. It is the caller's responsibility to ensure that the source document provides UTF-8 encoded HTML. Syntax-wise, it's as close as possible to jQuery with the same function names when possible, and that warm and fuzzy chainable interface. jQuery being the ultra popular library that it is, I felt that writing a similar HTML manipulating library was better to follow its API than to start a new that is in the same spirit as Go FMT package, even though some of its methods are less than intuitive. Okay, let's those are installation something. We shall proceed this. And here is the project structure, concurrent scraper. Then after mode init, it will create that, and this it will change that file and also create another file. There is the concurrent scraper. We shall create that. Okay. Next, project description. The scraper will take a list of URLs, fetch them concurrently, that is simultaneously, extract the title tag of each page and print it. Very fun. Main.go package.main, then import fmt log net/http sync. Uh, we shall discuss this sync later. Then github.com, then this package. Scrap title fetches the URL and sends the page title through the channel. We have discussed the channel. We know that what is uh, this channel. and function scrap title URL string WG, that is sync dot wait group. What is sync dot wait group? Let's search through Google. Sync is YHC dot wait group in Go. Yes, go by example. Wait group. This function will run in every Go routine. We have used Go routine. We shall call this channel, and it uses a Go routine. And yes, this function is works as a Go routine. This wait group is used to wait for all the Go routines launched here to finish. It waits for the all this to finish. Note, if a wait group is explicitly passed in functions, it should be done by pointer, not by direct copy. It should be done by pointer. Learn several Go routines and increment the wait group counter for each. Okay, here several Go routines and increment the Go routine counter. Okay, WG dot add one. It increases the counter in that one. Wrap the worker call in closure. That makes closure means this type of this thing. This is a closure. Go func, then this is the closure. This is the closure here. Then it calls that worker. This one. This is the closure. And after closure, we need to use this first bracket and second bracket. Sorry, first bracket open and close to call it immediately. Okay. Wrap the worker done. Wait group that this worker is done. This way, the worker itself does not have to be aware of the concurrency primitives involved in the execution. Lock until the wait group counter goes back to zero here. WG, this is the wait group, and this waits until everything is all the Go routines are done. Note that this approach has no straightforward way to propagate errors from workers. For more advanced cases, consider using error group package. Okay. So we have some idea of how we use what is the wait group. That is, so we have told you that we need to use this as a pointer. So we use WG star sync dot wait group. We also use that one. This one, not by copy. Now CH, that is our channel, can, this string, that is we have used that. This is a special purpose, you know. If you have any confusion, please go to our channel section, our list. Defer WG dot done. So this will, before closing this, it will call WG, this wait group done. Make HTTP request. First request is done. RESP response, then error colon equal to HTTP dot get within bracket URL. If error not equal to nil, so it means if there is an error, then go dot printf failed to get percentage, then percent %v backslash n. So this is the URL, and error is not may not be the string. So it shows that %v is used. Then return. Then defer. There's also something do before returning from this function, that is RESP. What is RESP? Here, response, response, within response, the body, we have discussed that, and then close it. Okay. So that this resource is not used. Doc error go query dot new document from read as form reader RESP dot body. This is new document from reader. What is res dot body? We have seen that one, and this it shows sent to doc. If error is not in, then error something needs shows some error and return. Now find the title. Here title colon equal to doc dot find within bracket within quotes title dot text. Now it shows that it says this one, this is printed, this to what? To this one, this ch and ch is type of what? Ch of type string. So here is printed, that is string printed actually. This is for string. So it returns a string and which is stored here. So this symbol was used also at the definition of the function here. So it stores this. String value stores this channel. Please remember in this way. Next, func min list of URLs to scrap. Those are the URLs to scrap. Those are URLs string https golang.org, https go.dev, residue google.com, wikipedia.org, then news.ycombinator.com, then for WG sync web group, it is defined here. Next, we used in this function. Now, this channel, make chan string. This channel is the string. So we can use that value. Next. Now go func. It calls a go routine. It's a closer. So it's unnamed function. This func and body is like that, and it's immediately called. And what does it do? That for result range ch. So some values will be stored there. Until these values are finished, do this fmt dot println result. And what is stored inside ch? This value, this value. This URL is this, title is this value is stored there. Next, launch go routine for each URL. Now, for underscore URL, range URLs. Then wg dot add one. It wait groups add something to wait group, and then go. This is also a go routine. Scrap, then URL, then ampersand wg. I told you this is used as a pointer, not as a value. Then ch, this channel we have defined before. Then wait for all go routines to finish. This is wg.wait. Then close ch, close channel after all go routines complete. Okay. So next is explanation. Scrap title function takes a URL, a wait group, and a channel, fetches the HTML content using http.get, then parses the HTML and extracts the traffic, sends the result to a channel, and main function declares a list of URLs, use a sync.wait group to wait for all Goroutines to finish. A channel, that is CH, is used to receive the results. A separate Goroutine listens on the channel and prints results. After all scraping is done, the channel is closed. After this is we have seen the next sample output will be like this URL something go to the Go programming language. This title Google. This is title Wikipedia and so on. Okay, so let's try this out. But during trying this out, we don't use that slide because slides are broken. So we have to copy each page from this to this. I have uh, I want to do it in other way. That is, uh, we shall uh, copy from our main document. That is that we have created. From that document, we created the this one, this uh, slides. So we shall use those documents to copy the codes and to copy to our text editor. Okay, from this lesson, we shall try this way so that there won't be any problem while copying. First, this line, copy, then current scraper, cd, cd there, go, mkdir, concurrent, sorry, not current, ent, scraper, C-I-T-R, scraper, cd, concurrent scraper, then type, then we start our that software, our Visual Studio Code, code start. And here I shall go to our our tab, that is this. And here, or not tab, this terminal. I shall use this. Go mod init concurrent scraper. This will create the mod file. Let's see the mod file. Nothing is it's there. Okay. Now I shall use this. Go get GitHub. We're getting those files from GitHub repository. Sorry, not here. Here. So we get this repository from GitHub. So you see here this word it's used here, and we shall also there is a go sum. This is the sum. This is a log file actually. This is a log file which is used to see how it is downloaded those things. Okay, go sum file. Now go mod td. Not go mod td TIDY. All matches, no packages. So it removes those packages from here. So we shall, what TD means uh, TT or tidy. This means that we shall remove this package by writing these things. Okay, if it is not used in any file, this one, write it here, it's there. Okay, now we shall create a new file, main.go. Let's go here. Here is our main.go. Let's copy from it the code we have discussed. This is nothing but the code we have discussed it. I shall go here and paste it here. Save it. Okay. Now I shall type. What is the warning? There is the warning here. Go more 30 link line. This one. It should be direct actually. Uh, is there any way to do this by go more TD or tag? Something is removed. You see, something which is not used correctly is removed here. So again, I'm adding this and it makes that one first one to here. This is the direct dependencies. Okay. We don't need to use this again. Just use this is oh, this is direct. This is direct. Next. Okay. We run that one. Go run main.go. It shows this one as it is concurrent. So we um, we need to use this here. First Wikipedia, but Wikipedia was later. And if it is later, and suppose I want to make something here. Uh, Furnace by terminated is not used. Don't find that one. So shall I use another one? HTTPS colon double slash suppose ndb.com. Yes, it shows this. It shows this. And by the way, the NDTV, its title is it's a news portal, India news, breaking news, etc., etc. This is its title. Wikipedia, Go, Google, Boolean. This Y Combinator, also Hacker News. It shows everything. Okay, next. I shall go here. Slides show. Go next. Improvements. We shall improve this package or improve this project, not package, improve this project to 2 points. Write the output to a file instead of printing to a console. Then parse other HTML elements like meta name is equal to description, It's like this meta tag and headers. Okay, and updated main.go package main import FFT net HTTP OS things this thing then github.com this one and this type we will store this thing so we need this gap result structure URL of type string, title of type string, description of type string, headers is a, you know, this is a slice of string. Func scrap page, URL of type string, WG wet group of this is a pointer. So start sync dot wet group the channel, again, it's receiving, storing values, scrap results. It's not string, just like the previous one. It's the scrap result. This structure, we shall use this structure. Okay. It is stored here. Now, defer wg dot done. If it is complete, then it will that run this one, this wg dot done. Now fetch the page RESP either uh, http.get URL just like the previous one. If error not equal to name, so if had error, then show the error and return. Now again defer there's dot body dot close. Can you please tell me why this is not used before that? Before that, because if there is an error, this becomes need of something which cannot have body, doesn't have or may not have body. So at this phase, we are confident that our race or the RSP, what is called response. Yes, response has body property, and then there is the pools method for body. Okay, but we can't be sure before that. So it is placed here. Now parse the page. Dot, comma, error, again error, go query, new document from reader, rest dot body. Same thing, just like the previous example. Log printf this error and return. So here before returning this, it must close the body and the wicket WG that. Okay. Now extract type. Title colon equal to strings. Then trim space doc dot find title title find title and its text that is what is inside the title tag that is and trim space what does it do it trims the space so strings dot trim space let's find out strings strings dot trim space in Golang okay the packages how to trim a string in Golang here boost strings is UTF enable sequence of variable with characters unlike this C plus go provide several functions trim is string this trim left trim space etc okay so here it is used or you may check this one also go packages string packages then trim trim space this one but as a do trim space returns a slice of string as with all leading and trailing white space removed as defined by Unicode. Okay, So you know that this is better than gigs for gigs for this case. Gigs for gigs are also very useful. So you will know how to space is used. Now extract meta description. How to use that meta description? We have meta tag, then description, comma, then underscore. We forget about that underscore. Go.find meta, then within quote bracket name is equal to description. Attribute the content. Okay. So it will find that one meta description. This is used for SEO, that is how to search improvement. Meta tag is mainly used. Now go to second part, that part of the extract all H1 headers. Var headers is a slice of string. Now go dot find header H1, then each for each, that is for each, then func, this is a closure, and func int s I int s star go query dot selection, which one is selected, and then text colon equal to strings, trim space is dot text. This is go query selection, star go query selection. Okay, this is the pointer. If text not equal to just blank one, then headers is equal to append headers text appended with the text value. Now send the result to channel. Now we use another function, scrap result. Scrap result. For a scrap result, this is a structure we have defined before. Scrap result. This is a structure we have defined. This scrap result URL is URL, title is title, description is description, and headers headers that is a header slice. Okay, stored here, and this is stored into this channel. And we know that we use that channel to get values from different Goroutines. For write results to file results, this and uh, array, not the array, we can't tell that array name of the array. Actually, in other languages, it's like array. The slice of scrap result, file name of string, type string. Now it returns error. File error OS create file name. It create that file name. If error, if it's error to create that file name, then return error. Then defer file.close. It is create, then close it. Okay. For underscore result colon equal to range results. Results is an array. We have defined, not array, it is a slice. We defined it here, results of scap results type of element it has. So if printf, that is if printed, file printed. If empty, if file, this file uh, handler. Then URL percentage backslash n result.url fmt.fprintf file comma title colon percentage backslash n result.title. This like description is this description. And for the header, we need to use another loop for the range result dot headers because this is an array. Then file, then under hyphen percentage backslash n h. Now a println file strings.repeat. Then this repeat how many times? 60 times. So there will be a dash, 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 dash up to 6 at the end of it. Then return int. Now function main URLs colon equal to string of this GoLeg.org, GoDev, Google.com, Wikipedia.org, news, ycommunicator.com, var, wgsync, wait group, ch, make, churn, that is channel, scap result, var results, scap result, var, mu, sync mutex. What is that? Sync mutex? Let's try sync mutex into snc dot mutex into the Google language sync mutex. Let's go there. It is sync mutex. We have seen how channels are great for communication. But what if we don't need communication? What if we just want to make sure only one Goroutine can access a variable at a time? We avoid conflicts. To avoid conflicts, we use this. This concept is called mutual exclusion, and the conventional name for the data structure that provide is mutex. Go standard library provides mutual exclusion with sync mutex and its two methods lock and unlock. We can define block of code to be executed in mutual execution by surrounding it with a call to lock and unlock as shown on this INC method. Okay, here is lock and this is unlock. So only one go routine at a time can access the map. See, okay, this is mutex. Now collected go routine, go func. This is collected for range ch. Then mu block results append this, then mu unlock. Launch scrapers for then uh, launch scrapers URL range URLs wg that is wait group add then go scrap page then scrap page this URL pointed to wg ch. Now wg wait. Now close save channel, then output file. Scrap results.txt error write results to a file. This file, if that is nil, the result is not nil. Then this one go fatalect, error show that otherwise scrapping completed, output written to this output file. Okay, new feature explained. Write results to a file, accepts all collected scrapped results and writes them into a file. Results include URL, title, meta description, and all H1 headers. Additional parse data. Sometimes you may not have any H1 headers also. Meta description via meta, then name is equal to description within quote, and all H1 headers collected and listed. And thread safety, so used sync mutex is used to protect access to the shared result slides. Output example like this. Okay. Okay. So also we shall copy from this document. It will be easier for me also and for you also. Don't copy from the slides. Previously, I wrongly copied it from slides. Copy that, this one, select A, remove everything, paste it here. So we shall use this and run, go run main.go. Scraping completed. Output written to scrap results.txt. That is scrap results. This one, you see, this is the file for the Wikipedia. It is first this Wikipedia header. This is description. The description is this, and Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, and this one also http go.dev also, and here headers has nothing, google.com. Title Google, description is nothing. This one. Golang also has this, but where is our site? This is not listed here. That's what I have seen. Okay, next slideshow. New features. Save output as JSON and add command line flags to specify a custom list of URLs via comma separated values and save the output file. Okay, so package main import all these things, then type script result just like previous one. Only we need to use it for JSON. That is static JSON. It is the URL field. Then static JSON is the title field. All are in small case, small lower uh, lowercase and or small mm, uh, capital letters, small letters. And description, this is string, this is backtick JSON, and this is description, and this is headers. This is of string slides. Then within backticks, JSON. Then within quotes, the headers. Now same thing, scrap the page, URL string, WG star, wet group sync, wet group channel, and this is the scrap result. This is the scrap result. Okay, WG done, default WG done, RESP error. We have seen this. Then same here, go query, new document, same title string, screenplace, same description. This also same thing. The var headers is a type of string. And then it gets that hazer like the previous one. Now, scrap result, this URL, this title, description, headers, okay, same thing, exactly same. Now, write results to JSON. Here, the results of a slice of scrap result. And file name is string error. Here it returns error. Then file error os.create file name. If just like the previous one, defer file.close. Now encoder, here is the new thing. JSON new encoder file. Okay. And encoder set indent, we have used this, and return encoder dot input. This is Marshall. and results this included dot input, okay, and included dot input results. Now func main define command line packs, URL list, flat string URLs, HTTPS, golanguage, comma, godev, comma, google.com. Three. We shall use this three. This is comma separated list for URL to step. Now output file will be, it will search for URL stack, either command line or CLI, that is command line interface. Scrapped results.json output, JSON file name, flag first, split URLs, okay, URLs list by comma separated. So it is split by comma and stored this. This is star URL list. So it is stored here. URL list is stored here. Star URL list, and it's stored where? This one. And it actually, this returns a pointer, this flag dot string, this pointer. Then using that value of that pointer, we use it, not ampersand. It's the value of that pointer, dereferencing. Now var wg sync.webgroup, okay. Now chen ch make chen script result, just like the previous one. Var results, script results, var mu syntax mutex. Now go function, this is a closer. Here mute is lock, then unlock. Result before appending the result. Okay. And launch scrapers, then ring wg.add. Now go scrap page, string stream URL wg ch is there. Then wg wait close ch save to JSON, write result to JSON, results output file. If error is not needed, then fatal, then printf, scrapping completed, output is written to output file. Okay. Next, how to run the project. Default run uses three URLs, writes to scrapped results, JSON, go run. This is the default value. We have seen that default value. Then we have this, we use these three files and output. That is, we have to use hyphen URLs, hyphen output is equal to, go and find that so that it will be easy for us. Sample JSON output is like that. So a summary of improvements, that is file output, JSON format using encoding slash JSON, and CLI. CLI means command line interface flags hyphen URLs hyphen output for flexibility. Robust uses Goroutines, webgroup, and mutex for thread safe aggregation. Okay. So let's again go to our this code here. Package main up to here. We have discussed everything. Now just go to main.go, save, paste it, save it. Okay. Now first run, how to run it? First run, go main go. Go run main go. Copy, go run main.go. Yes, take some time and skip this one. That is two file. The third file is sometimes it takes time, so sometimes it's not using or sometimes it doesn't have any title or description, all the things. So sometimes it's not used here. Scatter font. Okay. And the go.google.com, go.dev, another file is there. Why it is not? Okay, fine. Then we shall use this. Copy, then paste it. So let's out output.json or go to output.json. Or output is into output.json. Here is the output. Here it also uses two files, not this one. Let's try it again. What is the output? It's only two outputs. Can I do another one? From Java, HTTPS. I want to make that so that it takes time to do everything. So, not this is ndtv dot www.ndtv.com. Let's find it out. Okay, output, go there, land, terminated. Last one is not used. I found that one. Last one is not used. I'm not sure why it is doing, but last one is not used. I'm trying again. This one. Why last one is not used? Here, here, try this. Okay, here I've fixed the result. Here is the changes. Added a separate weight group for the collector. Collector, go where collector WG sync weight group. Then collector WG add one. Okay. Updated the collector go routine to signal when it's done. Go from defer collector WG 10. Okay. And then added proper synchronization after closing the channel. Go, that is wait for, that is WG, wait. Close the channel to signal the collector to exit. Okay. Wait for the collector to finish the processing of all results. WG collector, that is collector WG dot wait. Okay, that we have used. The original problem was that after waiting for all scrapers to finish and losing the channel, the program immediately processed to write the results to JSON without ensuring that the collector had processed all items in the channel. With this fix, the main thread will properly wait for the collector to finish processing all results before saving them to JSON. Retry cloud can make mistakes because please double check responsive this one. Solid. I tried this find out through Claude. So it is written here. So it's not needed, but okay. That's okay. I found it out through using Claude AI. So scrap result is dropped. This is scrap page string WG group sync with group this churn this one WG done different WG done and this one is the same this body error This one title, also this description, then font headers, then screenshot. Okay. Then write results to file. File error was create. File name error not nil. This also same. New input of file same. Now problem is in the main, that is flag.parse string output URL string split, this one, and this is flag.string, and what wg sync with group ch make this one and create separate weight group. This is important. This is where this change occurs. Weight group for the collector Goroutine. Var collector WG sync weight group collector WG add one collector Goroutine, then collector WG done for result range append results and learn scrapers. This one is here. No need for mutex since only one Goroutine accesses results now. Now we don't only one routine is used. So here privilege wait, we close it here. Now set to JSON, then collector wait. Close CH, then wait for the collector to finish processing of all results. Save to JSON. Uh, Error is here. Results to JSON. Output file. Go fatal if fail to write JSON output. This one and this printer. Okay. Now we should run it. This one. And you see our output. First is NDTP. It shows that one. Then GoDev. Then golang.org. Then this. Okay. And I need to copy this one. Copy back this one. Not here. Close it. Save from here. Here. Close it. Sorry. Save. Okay. I've saved this. And so here the slideshow. And then new features. We shall new features add retry logic. Retry failed HTTP requests, for example, network error or non-200 response. Timeout listing. Limit the time each request can take using HTTP. Client without a timeout. Implementation details. We define a custom HTTP client with a timeout, then retry a fixed number of times, for example, 3, with a small delay between attempts, handle errors like network failures and bad HTTP status codes. Here is our main.go package is here. Sorry, package is here. It should be package. Done. Is here. Package main, then all those imports, then scrap results just like before, previous one, then shared HTTP client with timeout. Then for HTTP client is equal to ampersand HTTP dot client timeout 10 time dot second. So its timeout will be 10 seconds. Okay. Next. Const max try is 3, retry delay 2 into time dot second, 2 times after retry. Then func step page URL string WG saying wait group ch10. This one we have known that defer WG done where star HTTP response where error retry group I want this max try, then I plus plus. This will be one max price. Where is max price? Is 3. From 1 to 3, raise this kind. If error, then break. If error is equal to nil. If there is not error, no error, or status code is status okay, then break. If response not equal to nil, then response not equal to nil, then body close, response body close, then log print f retry this URL error, then sleep time. After this one, this log printf, this retry, this how many times, first time, second time, or third time, URL this, error this, then sleep, retry delay for these 2 seconds. Then, if error not is equal to nil, log printf failed to fetch is after retries. Then max retries error, also max retries error. Then defer rest dot body dot close. Rest dot body not equal to nil if rest error time get. This not equal to nil. Then this one. Otherwise, here it's closed. Now parse HTML, just like the previous one, this dot body, this printf failed to parse this error and this, sorry, this one, extract elements, change space, dot font, just like the previous one, URL this one, and write results to JSON, just like the previous one, and CLI main, CLI flags, your list, this is your list, default list is this one, and output file, string, output, scap results, JSON, output, JSON file name, flat parse, then string split, this one, then WG, sync.wait, okay, ch, make change, gap result, where result, scrap results, it is separate wait group for the collected Goroutine. This collected WG sync wait group, then collected WG add one. Okay, then collected Goroutine. If it is otherwise, it uh, it won't go for the last one. Defer collected WG then after each try this is done. Then for each range ch channel, then append result this result. No need for mutex. It's only one routine accesses result now. Next, launch concurrent scrapers. This WG add one. Here we use WG. Go scraper just like the previous one. Corrected previous one. Strings, stream space, this ampersand WG ch. Wait for all scraper go routines to complete. WG.wait. Now close the channel to signal the collector to exit. First channel, close that channel. Now wait for the collector to finish processing all results. Collector WG wait. Now write the results just like the previous one. Run this example. Improvement summary is this. And here we shall go this place. File. Let's copy this one. We have just discussed it. Copy. Now I shall paste it here, save it. Next, what is our this output.json? Copy and paste it here and paste it here. Is wait for some times. It will try and retry for some time. This is exceeded. We try one for this one. This is the bad site. We have defined that this bad site. And it is again we try two. We can wait for. We try three. Is wait. Yes, we try three. And then the other side. So what is our output.json? Here is our output.json codec to lang.org. Two files are there. And with this website, does it's a website, it doesn't open. So this is all output. And this uh, let's show this timeout. Let's make it bigger. Timeout results fail after 10 seconds. Retry logic retries up to 3 times. Tools delay, smarter scraping handles flanky network or so websites. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.